Machiegni nyaka Ramogi tudi kodwa na bawa mar ote machuok ariyo deka auchiel na nono bende yudwa kanye mbui mag Facebook wantie kanye achiel kachiel e mbui mar YouTube Ramogi TV bende wayudore e mbui mar YouTube, Facebook achiel koda X nyayudwa kanye bende mbui mar Instagram duto Ramogi TV. Nyinga Simfrozo Kinda, jaloko marwa en Elizabeth Otieno. Kawachako en riwruok mar Azimio la Umoja koro kumo jod bura mage timo safaro ko mar Kenya nyaka bitie kiwach mar paro mar omenda ma hikomenda mar 2024-2025 e od bura juma manyien. Jotelo mag Azimio lero ni nyaka jod bura mage bed e od bura kendo kwed paro no gi duol achiel ka giramo ni obiro hinyo oganda jo Kenya. To ka jafwambo mar Eric Owenga lero Azimio seyo mokalo budget manyo som kod jatend migawo mar omenda Njuguna Ndung'u ka gilero ni en kod fuok modhuro.
Odiochieng' achiel tok jatend migawo mar omenda Njuguna Ndung'u somo budget ma higana 2024-2025 riwruok mar Azimio koro owuok oko ka kwede mokalo.
This is a 23.6 billion increase in recurrent expenditure. This is a budgeted corruption in the name of tea, mandazi and flowers. This is not development but sheer eating. It's their time to eat, so they believe.
Jatend Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka bang' bedo kod romo gi moko kuom jotelo mag Azimio noseyo mokalo bajedno ka giwacho ni ok ochomo yo kendo obiro hinyo ok ochumi mathur ka kende to kata oganda ma yuto margi ni piny.
Azimio believes that Kenyans can only thrive if we stimulate the economy, not if we arbitrarily and consistently raise their tax burden. If the bill is passed as written, Kenyans must be prepared to give up their belts or what remains of them in the second wave of KK taxes.
You cannot grow the economy by increasing taxes. I mean, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Kenyans, this regime is fond of traveling. They have been to the US today, I understand they've gone to Italy and so on. They are fond of traveling. Throughout the world, governments are reducing taxes in order to stimulate economic activity.
Paro mar omenda ma higani igeno ni ibiro redhi e nyim od bura mamalo tich ariyo mar juma manyien. Kata kamano telo mar Azimio chik ni kuom jo od bura mage nyalo panjo ne romo makamano. E wi mano tend Azimio omako gi mafuanda.
I have dispatched 86 letters to the 86 members of the National Assembly elected on ODM, and I'm sure my counterparts in the other affiliate parties are doing the same, communicating the directive from the Council of Azimio that in fact all members of the National Assembly are to suspend any planned trips or any activities that would see them out of Nairobi for the duration of the consideration of the Finance Bill 2024, and that means from the date of tabling on Tuesday next week until a vote is taken.
Kalonzo no ywak ni thoth omenda ma oketi budget e tije mag oledhi ma bende pod ok oyangre kaka nyalo konyo kata loko ngima jopiny.
Strategic response, this is what it is. That particular line item is entitled Strategic Response to Public Initiatives. Strategic Response to Public Initiatives. That comes to 2.5 billion shillings. If that is not budgeted corruption, what is it?
The National Treasury has a very interesting development vote called Strategic Responses to Public Initiatives. What is that vote? Or is it a slush fund for senior executives in the regime?
Or reject them from where we start, and are asking our members of parliament to hear it. Hear the members of the public, listen to what we are telling you. You are elected to represent the people.
Tuwataka tena wapinge huu mswada wa mwaka huu sababu ndio mbaya zaidi na unaongeza ushuru.
Azimio ywak ni budget malachno biro mana nyayo mibadhi kar loko ngima oganda.
The budgetary process lacks transparency and accountability, indicating a government operating with impunity and disregard for consequences. Indeed, from the CSAs, PSAs to the chair of the House Budget Committee and the printed budget books all have varying figures. Who or what should Kenyans believe?
Seche migeno ni par mar omenda ma higni 2024-25 ibiro teri od bura jomanyien. Riwruok mar Azimio ochung' kar tiendgi kendo gikwedo paro mokalo ka gikwayo od bura mondo ne ni owite oko. Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.